We live in a world that pressures us to have a map in hand before we've even surveyed the landscape. We're handed a checklist: graduate, get the job, climb the ladder. The unspoken message is clear: to be uncertain is to be lost. This creates a sense of urgency, a feeling that we are perpetually running against a clock we never set. We start to measure our worth not by the richness of our experiences, but by how closely our reality aligns with an idealized projection. The gap between our messy, unpredictable lives and this flawless, linear narrative can feel like a personal failing. But here is a liberating truth: no one has it all figured out. Behind the confident smiles and impressive job titles exists the same landscape of doubt and fear. The illusion of certainty is one of humanity's most convincing creations. We present our lives as a highlight reel, carefully editing out the fumbles and false starts. We showcase the summit, but hide the climb. The truth is, we are all just improvising, armed with our past experiences, present intuition, and hope for the future. The great secret is that there is no secret. Life unfolds one step at a time. It is not a destination, but a process. You learn by living. The map is drawn as you walk the path. Every interaction, every mistake, every small victory, these are the data points that inform your journey. Wisdom isn't a treasure you find at the end. It is the dirt you collect on your shoes along the way. The real work is not in achieving a predetermined outcome, but in paying attention to the journey itself. So, let this be a permission slip. It's okay to be unsure. Uncertainty is not a sign of weakness. It is the space where possibility is born. Imagine the freedom in saying, "I don't know yet, and that's all right." This is not defeat. It is an embrace of the process. Give yourself permission to take a detour, to follow a flicker of curiosity without needing to justify where it might lead. Your life is not a performance. It is your laboratory. Even confusion has its place. It is the state that precedes clarity, the moment our old certainties crumble to make space for deeper understanding. When you feel confused, you are on the cusp of a breakthrough. Growth is not a clean, linear ascent. It is a messy, cyclical process of shedding and becoming. You are not lost. You are simply on a journey without a pre-drawn map. You are a student in the grand school of life, and your curriculum is uniquely your own. Release the need to have it all figured out. Let go of the timeline. Trust the unfolding. Trust your pace. Trust that where you are right now is exactly where you need to be. The journey itself is the purpose. Keep walking.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.